Interface this optical fingerprint sensor and make a biometric access control system to grant access to known person and decline to unknown. Let's build the circuit. Place the Arduino Nano on a breadboard along with OLED display. Connect the display to Arduino Nano using I2C pins. Take a servo, connect jumper wires to it for connections. Connect red wire to 5V, brown wire to ground and orange wire to pin 9 of Arduino Nano. Connect green LED to pin 4 with buzzer and red LED to pin 5. Take the sensor connector and attach jumper wires to it using heat shrink. Connector is ready. Connect black wire of a connector to ground, red wire to 5V, yellow wire to pin 3 and green wire to pin 2. Connect sensor to connector. Write the code according to the connections. Connect the board to the PC. Open the enroll example code. Upload the code and register the fingerprint and assign the ID for it. Then upload the main access control code. And biometric access control system is ready. Access will be granted if fingerprint is registered, and if not, then access will be denied and the buzzer will activate it.